Okay, Project FPV model cars. Just checking out and getting everything ready for the actual event now. Just checking everything over. Here's the charging system I got running here. Got 4 chargers running off the mains power, charging them in the LiPo sacks. So can charge 4 at a time, so keep them fully charged up. Got a little USB light here just in case it's dark, need to see what I'm doing. I've also got these little monitor screens here for various applications from marshals and around about, checking the cars over. I'm just charging them up. Got you can charge 4 at a time. So they've got batteries in them, and they receive the. You can select the channel to receive and look at what the cars are doing. So I'm just charging them up. That's my spare transmitter and wheel there. Getting together lots of bits and pieces. Over here you've got the racks with the cars in it, sorting out what tools to take and testing equipment. In here you've got the each rack contains 4 cars. Those are the NSX ones. Notice that they haven't got bodies yet. I still haven't been given the bodies, but I've got to fit them on the day. That's my original test car, which I sorted everything out on. So that's ready to go as well in case it's ever needed. This is the other rack of the Civic cars, all 4 of them. There's actually one has got a body shell on it, this one, which I had a rough pull of a body shell, so I made it into a little like a racing version, and sorted it all out for the height of the body posts and everything, so that when I come to get finally given the body shells, hopefully all the body posts and everything will fit okay. I also painted the wheels, if you have a look, painted them metallic graphite, put some little red detail on, and also I've got red wheel nuts on them now. So they all fit in like that. A huge pile of wheels. There'll be 4 main wheels and some spare ones. I've got the computer equipment that does all the timing all ready to go, and this is the timing loop that goes over the track with the infrared detectors. In here we've got the transmitter and interface array, 4 transmitters and all the interface equipment for the wheels. Down here another spare wheels, lots of cables and some flags I also bought. And here we've got the receivers, diversity receivers, which can have, well, we're having a remote receiver aerials run off on coax cables that have to be done at the venue, with its own built-in power supply, voltage monitor for the power supply, as does the receiver's got a voltage monitor, so I can check that everything is working properly. And I've got to pack all this stuff into my car and take it to the event. So I will be just checking over the transmitters and receivers again in a final check. And it's a shame I've got to fit all the bodies at the event. I hope the people who painted them and done a good job. So I've got to fit 8 body shells, so hopefully there's not going to be any problem. I would have liked to have tested them with the body shells, but never mind. So, getting pretty near the event, just a few days to go now. Okay, the FPV project, just running through the final checks on all the equipment, make sure it's working okay before I pack it away. Here we've got the 4 wheels and the transmitter array with the interfaces. Voltage is looking good, 10 volts which it runs at, 4 transmitters. Here we've got the receiver array diversity with the fixed aerials at the moment. Though we'll be running aerials off on coaxes at the venue. And one of them is getting a bit of noise pickup. Anyway, I've got one of the cars switched on here. It's actually car number 1, NSX. I've got it turned on. Checking displays, looking good. Centered. Read the number 1 NSX. Red lights on the display there. And I can just check that it's working on the steering wheel, which is number 1 steering wheel is this one here. So check the car. Yeah, it's looking good. Steering works on the screen. Accelerator here and reverse. So that's all good. I'll run through all the 8 cars, making sure all the wheels and everything is all working, and then I shall pack it all away in the racks and everything ready for transport into the venue. So there you go.